Hi students, now next topic is 2 comma 4 DNP. What is 2 comma 4 DNP? 2 comma 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2 comma 4 means 2 comma 4 DNP means 2 comma 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. So what is the use of 2 comma 4 DNP? What is the use of 2 comma 4 DNP, student? It is the test for carbonyl compound. Test for carbonyl compounds. Test for carbonyl compounds, student. First one, now what is the structure of 2 comma 4 DNP, student? 2 comma 4 DNP means I am writing structure NH2 NH NO2, this NO2. This is hydrazine. We know structure, student. Hydrazine formula N2H4. We can write structure NH2 bond NH2. But here NH2 bond NH2, instead of one hydrogen, I am taking one phenyl group. This phenyl group having two nitro groups are there, that is these nitro groups present on second carbon and fourth carbon. Numbering we should start from here, student. This is first carbon, this is second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and fifth carbon and sixth carbon. This phenyl group having two nitro groups are there, that two nitro groups are present on second carbon. This NO2 group present on second carbon and fourth carbon, so that's why it is called 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 di means 2 nitro. 2 nitro means 2 NO2 groups, 2 nitro group present on phenyl group, so that's why it is called 2 comma 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is the structure of 2 comma 4 DNP test. So what is the use of 2 comma 4 DNP? So what I said, student, that is this is the test for carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means what I said, student, that is aliphatic aldehydes or aromatic aldehydes, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. So now take the first point, student. When aliphatic aldehyde, you remember, student, aliphatic aldehydes, when aliphatic aldehydes react with 2 comma 4 DNP. You remember, student, when aliphatic aldehydes react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give that is red orange yellow precipitate will be formed. It is very most important, student, that is red orange yellow precipitate will be formed, that is mixed colored will be formed, student. This is very most important, student, that is simple shortcut, that is ROY. Remember, student, ROY. When 2 comma 4 DNP react with aliphatic aldehydes to give red orange yellow precipitate will be formed, that is mixed color will be formed. This is the very most important, student. So now second one, student, that is when next one is aromatic aldehydes. When aromatic aldehydes react with 2 comma 4 DNP. When aromatic aldehydes are react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give same thing, that is same color will be formed, that is a red orange yellow precipitate will be formed, that is ROY. ROY means that is a red orange yellow precipitate, that is PPT, precipitate will be formed, that is mixed colored will be formed. This is a simple text. Aromatic aldehydes means example what I said, the aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. Now take the aromatic aldehydes example, that is benzaldehyde. For aliphatic aldehydes example, that is CH3CHO. Aliphatic aldehyde example CH3CHO. Aromatic aldehydes example benzaldehyde. This is the simple text. These both are giving aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes are both are react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, that is a red orange yellow precipitate will be formed. This is the simple text. And next point, that is aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones also react with 2 comma 4 DNP when aliphatic ketones also react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, that is also same thing, red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed, that is ROY, that is ROY, that is red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed, that is mixed precipitate will be formed, that is red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed. This is also for aliphatic ketones example, that is acetone. This example for aliphatic ketones example acetone. Acetone react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, that is red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed, that is mixed precipitate will be formed. Next one, that is aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones also same thing. Aromatic ketones also, I am writing shortcut. The aromatic ketones also react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, it is also same thing, that is ROY. Red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed. Aromatic ketones also react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed, that is mixed colored will be formed. For example, that is for aromatic like this ketones example, this is the aromatic ketones. This overall reaction, this 2 comma 4 DNP react with aliphatic aldehydes to give, that is positive test, students. You remember, students, when aliphatic aldehydes react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, that is positive 2 comma 4 DNP test will be formed. When aromatic aldehydes also same thing, student. You remember, student, aliphatic aldehydes react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give positive 2 comma 4 DNP tested. Aromatic aldehydes also to give positive DNP testants, and aliphatic ketones also to give positive 2 comma 4 DNP testants, and aromatic ketones also to give positive 2 comma 4 DNP testants. This overall reaction, that is overall aliphatic and aromatic compounds to give overall aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes, and means aliphatic compounds and aromatic compounds react with 2 comma 4 DNP, that means 2 comma 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine to give red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed, that is red colored and orange colored and yellow colored mixed colored will be formed, red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed. This is the simple trick for 2 comma 4 DNP testation. 2 comma 4 DNP can react with aliphatic aldehydes, aromatic aldehydes, aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones, everything to give positive 2 comma 4 DNP testation. So I will take the example for reactions. I will take example for acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde react with chemical reaction I am writing, student, that is when acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH chemical acetaldehyde react with phenylhydrazine NH2 bond NH like this 2 comma 4 DNP. When acetaldehyde react with 2 comma 4, this is 2 comma 4 DNP, student. This is acetaldehyde 2 comma 4 DNP. What happens to that is here keto group is this aldehyde grouping aldehyde group having one oxygen is there. These both are water is elimination. In this reaction is water is elimination, student. Removal of water, hydrogen from here, oxygen from here, we get that is product is CH3 then H double bond N NH NO2 then LO2. So this product is, that is hydrazone will be formed, so that is product is acetaldehyde hydrazone will be formed. This is the very most important student. When acetaldehyde react with 2 comma 4 DNP to give, that is acetaldehyde hydrazone will be product will be formed, student. This is the simple trick for acetaldehyde react with 2 comma 4 DNP. Now take the one more example, student. When take the ketones also same thing, student. When ketones means acetone, when acetone also react with 2 comma 4 DNP NH2 bond NH 2 comma 4 dinitrophenylhydrazine, what happens, student? In this step also same thing, student. Water is elimination, student. H2 from here, oxygen from here, we get that is acetone hydrazone will be formed, that is acetone phenyl hydrazone will be formed. This is the simple trick for 2, 4 DNP test. This is also acetone hydrazone will be formed. Acetone hydrazone will be formed. This is a simple trick for 2, 4 DNP. This 2, 4 DNP, these all are giving, that is aldehydes and ketones, and that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes and aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones, all are reactive with 2, 4 DNP to give positive test, to give positive 2, 4 DNP with red, orange, yellow precipitate will be formed. Student, that is shortcut is ROY, that is red, orange, yellow colored precipitate will be formed, that is mixed colored will be formed. Student, this is the simple trick for 2, 4 DNP. Student, if you like my video, please like, share and comments. Thanks for watching. Student, if you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.